Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how ancient Egypt built the pyramids. First, understand that construction began with quarrying massive stone blocks, often weighing several tons. Workers used basic tools like copper chisels and dolerite pounding stones to extract limestone and granite. These raw materials were then prepared for transport from quarries, sometimes miles away, to the construction site. This initial phase required immense manual labor and careful planning. Once quarried, the colossal stones needed to be moved and lifted. The most widely accepted theory involves the use of ramps. These ramps, possibly straight or spiraling around the structure, allowed workers to pull the heavy blocks upwards. Evidence suggests that water or even milk was used to lubricate the ground, significantly reducing friction for the wooden sledges carrying the stones. This ingenious method made moving incredibly heavy loads feasible. It's a common misconception that slaves built the pyramids. In reality, thousands of skilled Egyptian laborers, farmers, and artisans constructed these monuments. They lived in well-organized villages near the sites, receiving regular wages, food, and even medical attention. Building the pyramids was a national endeavor, a source of immense pride, and a way to contribute to the pharaoh's divine journey, uniting the population under a common goal. The precision of pyramid construction is truly astounding, with many structures aligning perfectly with cardinal directions and astronomical events. The Great Pyramid of Giza alone comprises over 2 million stone blocks, a testament to ancient engineering. These monumental structures stand as enduring symbols of ancient Egypt's ingenuity and organizational prowess. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.